This economic variable demand is important in business decision-making and policy formulations. It determines the magnitude of economic activities, the size and pattern of production. If there is no demand, output is unwarranted. Business firms use this concept widely for a number of purposes like production, planning, inventory management, market research, etc. It is defined as the various quantities of a given commodity or service which consumers would buy at various prices during a given period of time.